western Livingston County in central Illinois, LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Walnut to Lake into near Arlington, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oglesby, Peru, Tonka, Mendota, LaSalle, and Wayona around 10:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include North Utica, South Streeter, Grand Ridge, Matlake, Flanagan, Streeter, Earlville, Ottawa, Pontiac, Marseilles, Serena, Cornell, Leland, Lake Holiday, Seneca, Selmanok, and Sharon, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 77. Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 204. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 103. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for central Illinois.